A sneeze can travel at speeds of nearly 160 kilometers per hour. It all begins when tiny dust particles enter your nose. Sensitive nerves immediately detect the irritation. Those nerves send an emergency signal racing toward your brain. Within milliseconds, your brain launches the sneeze reflex. Your chest muscles tighten as your lungs rapidly fill with air. Pressure begins building inside your airways. But then, you pinch your nose shut and keep your mouth tightly closed. Now all that pressure has nowhere to escape. In some cases, tiny blood vessels can experience sudden stress. The pressure may also strain your delicate eardrums and even affect sensitive tissues in your throat. Your body evolves sneezing as a protective defense mechanism. Sometimes the safest thing you can do is simply let it out.